In this video, I'll show you how to add someone to Telegram group. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational content like this. In my previous video, I think I made a video about how you can create a Telegram channel, right? And for you to be able to add someone to a Telegram group, you can either invite the person or you can manually add up the person, right? So I'm going to show you how you can, like, let's say if you want to add up someone, right? You need to at first create a group. So it's going to be a new group. Let me say I can add up on the map. Click on this, right? Then you can come on here. I can just name this group friends, right? Once I'm done, I'm going to click on here and it's going to create automatically. But like, since it's just like, okay, let me say I'm going to do this. I've created the group, right? You can see this, the friends, and right here you can see, if you look at this right here, right? If you look at here, you can add up as many friends as possible you want. I can add up this, I can add up anyone I want, right? So this is how you can add up friends here, or you can add up your friends or someone on Telegram group. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'll see you all in the very next one.